from your boys be stacking with another gun review on this new guy. It's the Rossi RB22M. M stands for Magnum. Just acquired this not that long ago. It is one of their new rifles. They've been making rifles for a while. They had the rifles that came with 2 barrels. It's interchangeable. Like, what's it called? The perfect match. They had a few of those, and they sold really well. So this is another cheaper variant. I'd say cheaper, but price wise. But obviously, it looks really good, aesthetic looking, really lightweight. But let's go ahead and jump into this. So they have 2 other models. They have the RB22 and they have the RB17. Basically, 22 obviously is 22 LR, and then 17 is 17 HMR. So I got this one in a 22 Magnum because I already have a 17 and I have a 22. But let's go ahead and take a look here. So it's like a Monte Carlo stock. And for serrations and restorations, it looks like it is a free float barrel. Looks like it's casted here, simple casted bolt. It's a little stiff, but you know, it's 22, or it's a 22 Magnum. I mean, you're not shooting a 300 Win Mag out of here. It is also for $127. I mean, you cannot really beat that at all. $127 for this bad boy right here. And it's a 22 Magnum. I heard they could kill coyotes under 100 yards with this thing, depending on variants of bullets. You know, ballistics wise, you guys know that. Check that out. There's various YouTube videos on ballistics on 22 mags. You can actually shoot quite a few critters with it. But look at this, a Monte Carlo stock, all for $127. I mean, that is not bad for a rimfire rifle, especially for a 22 mag. Let's look at other stuff here. Alright, so it comes with a 5-round magazine. Let's take a look here. There you go. 5-round magger. I heard that they actually have a higher capacity magazines out there, holding 10 to 15 rounds. Go check that out. And this, let me tell you, it is covered in grease everywhere. It is nasty. It's slimy. Definitely have to clean this out. So before you guys take this out shooting, definitely clean it, go over it, scrub it out. It has excessive amounts of oil, but you know, that just means that there's not going to be any type of rust in storage. Right? So it comes with your dumb lock that nobody uses. Right? Your Rossi owner's manual. Just your basic owner's manual. Oh yeah, firearms responsibility. I mean, I guess they're adding this to it now. I haven't seen it before. It's already stuff that you should already guys know if you guys have firearms, which you guys probably already do. So, yeah, that's stuff. Oh look, there's more. I'm telling you not to do drugs and alcohol. You probably shouldn't while you're trying to shoot a firearm. But it's just simple common sense stuff. I guess people don't have common sense anymore. But that's its requirement, huh? Anything hazardous lead thing, thanks to California. Nobody likes them anyways. Let's try and take a look furthermore. So they have a Weaver style rail up top. Look how greasy that is. If you guys can see that, like, it's all shiny, dude. And a simple right here, it looks like it's kind of cast, if you guys can see that. It's weird, huh? And the trigger, looks like to be plastic. Now there's nothing in there. You guys can take a look. Not the best bolt, nothing to write home about. And it does have a fire indicator. So if it's a loaded round or if it's cocked, it will tell you right here. Look how great, look how shiny. It's all nasty. So it does have 2 swivel mounts right in the butt, right up here. I'm definitely gonna put a bipod on it. Like I said before, it does have a free floating barrel. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other side. Oops, sorry guys. All right, so let's see here. Rossi RB22M and 22WMR, made in Brazil by CBC. It's imported by Brass Tech International in Miami, Florida. Let's go in here. That's a Rossi RB22M. So not a bad rifle at all. For 127 bucks out the freaking, or actually it was 147. Oops, sorry guys. It was $147 shipped from kvar.com. Shipped is the cheapest one I've found. They had it at Bud's Gun Shop for $153 basically, shipped, including shipping and everything. This one, I think it was like $17 shipping, but it holds 5-round magazines. You get, like I said, I believe you could get like 10-round mags. Also, I get 17-round mags. We're gonna be doing a shooting video here shortly as the weather gets better here coming spring. We'll be out more and more doing more shooting. I know we've been saying that we will be doing a lot of shooting reviews. They're coming up. Stay with us, guys. It's just the weather, it was semi-cold weather here, so during springtime it'd be really nice, and we'll go out shooting, doing some whistle pigs. If you guys don't know what that is, I didn't know when I first moved here, but it's basically a ground squirrel. It's the Pruitt ground squirrel. It's a nuisance around here. It's a varmint. People shoot it. It's loads of fun. I mean, especially with something like this, you could shoot it and they'll literally just fly up in the air. So we'll be doing a video of that shortly. They're coming out. Actually, they're already out and about as the water progresses and gets a little bit warmer, a little bit more and more. So we're having videos with that, shooting them. Loads of fun. I'll be doing the 17 and also this. Maybe take out the AK, maybe shoot some rounds with that and try to peg some down. But like I said, there'll be more videos of gun reviews coming out here shortly. Stay tuned with us. I know Justin will be doing a couple of reviews here for you guys. But we appreciate your time. Oh, actually, he is. He'll be doing a Springfield Operator 2 review. That thing is gorgeous. Absolutely sexy 1911. But we'll be doing another gun review here soon. We'll be doing some gaming videos, as some coming out actually hopefully by today or tomorrow. But I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for being part of the Your Boys Be Stacking family, and we'll see you guys next time.